promised them I could make them a cake and win their date over, but I failed. Man, what am I gonna say to them? How am I gonna... Oh, one moment, please. Okay, sorry about that. You guys didn't see that, did you? Anyways, moving on. So, I'd like to apologize for my last video because I failed you guys, okay? I promised that I would make you a cake to save your date, okay? And I failed. I didn't expect that to happen, you know? I thought I knew what I was doing. In today's video, we're going to take a step back, couple steps back. We're gonna have Miss Betty Crocker herself teach me how to make a cake. We have a box mix here. I have all the ingredients prepped. This time, you will win your date over. Guess what? I heard that she called, you know? She called and said, that cake was terrible, but I'll give you another chance. So, if you follow this video's instructions, disregard the other video. The other video doesn't matter, okay? I know I said that in the other one. This is the one that matters, okay? So follow this video, and you will win the girl, the boy, the partner, whatever it may be. Unless they don't like carrot cake. We'll be smart this time, and we'll go ahead and preheat the oven, because it took a lot of time last time, you know? So, we'll go ahead and do the 350. 350 on the good old oven. Make sure there's nothing in here. This will be our pan. Nice and fresh. Don't mind the residue of the failed experiment the other day. I'm sure it's fine. So, clean and fresh pan, as well as the clean and fresh bowl, right? So, we got cake mix, water, oil, and eggs in a large bowl with mixer on medium speed, which I don't have, or beat vigorously by hand for 2 minutes. I don't need scissors! Okay, look, just because I said I didn't need them doesn't mean I'm not going to use them, okay? Woo! No trash bag! No! We need a cup of water, 1/3 cup of oil, and 3 eggs. Well, they don't call me the egg cracking pro for nothing. I bet I could crack all 3 of these eggs at once. I bet I could crack both of these eggs at once. Oh no. Well. Okay. Well, I got the one. I bet I can crack both these eggs at once. Okay, can someone explain that to me, please? Can you not break an egg with your hand? Now I need to know, can you not break this egg with your hand? Hey, look, I don't think you can. Well, I'll be damned. We'll learn some science today. Anyways, there we go. Alright. So, we won't be needing the eggs anymore. I did make a huge mess, though. Huge mess. Okay, after that, water, oil. I actually went backwards. I did eggs first. I was supposed to do cake mix, water, oil, eggs. It's okay, though. 1/3 cup. Wow. 1/3 cup. So I need 3 of these, if my math checks out. Yeah, 3 of these. Oh, perfect. It already smells so much better than my last cake. Unfortunately, I hate to say it. Let's not jump to the gun yet. Let's not jump to the gun. Oh, I almost forgot the oil. Oh boy. Okay, alright. 1 of these. Look at that pour. Sure, it's noisy over here. Now what you all have been waiting for. Time to beat vigorously. First, I need to just get it all mixed in. Make sure the eggs are all broken up. Vigorously can mean many different things to many different people, you know. Maybe this is my definition of vigorously. I mean, who's to say? I mean, I could just give it a nice little mix, you know? I mean, why do I have to just a nice mix, you know? Good, balanced, make sure we... Oh, this? Don't worry about that. Sometimes, you know, we make a mess. We're getting there, we're getting there. Didn't even have to do very vigorous. It'll be alright. Oh yeah, beautiful. Oh, it smells so good. Little taste test. I know you're technically not supposed to do this. Mmm. Tastes just like my batter. So, the oven's almost done. So we can go ahead and prep this. So we need a little spray. Oh yeah, perfect. Now come in here, come in here. Come in here for the pour, you ready? Oh yeah, you ready? Oh yeah. Now that's a cake mix. Perfect. No, not me. Down here. Stop looking at me. Down here. Yeah, just a little more. Just a little more. Will you stop? Alright, the oven's ready, so we'll go ahead and throw her in for 26 to 31 minutes. So, I'll give an average about 28 minutes. Toss it in for 28 minutes and we'll see what happens. Alright. Looking good. This is still wet. I don't know if it matters that it's still wet, but something tells me it does. 28 minutes on the clock. And now. Okay, well, we let it cool in the pan. I couldn't find a cooling rack, so I don't know if this will come out as easily. Well, upon further looking, it would seem that I didn't look very well, because I found it exactly where it was supposed to be. Anyways, see if I can just, like, do this, and then do this. Maybe this will work. Maybe I can spatula it out. Alright, I got it out without that many issues, so it came out good. The bottom took a little bit of damage, but not that bad, honestly. Holy cow! Alright, next step, final step. Well, I still have to taste it, that's the final step. But we gotta ice it. Now, I'm no professional icer. I've always done it by just plopping it on. Don't think there really is a right way to ice, is there? Sure, there's some of you that know. But just put a generous amount on. Everything can be saved by icing. And voila! A perfectly frosted cake! We even got the edges. How, you might ask? I'll tell you how. Poorly. Now all that's left to do is to sample this masterpiece that we have put together. And give her a little taste. I'm just gonna cut it with the fork, because why dirty another dish? Oh, so spongy. Perfect. Ooh. It's falling apart. Oh gosh. Very moist, some might say. Alright. A bon appetit. Mmm. Mmm. Now that is a cake. That has the perfect, in my opinion, icing to cake ratio. Can't go wrong with carrot cake, if you ask me. Yeah, that was good. Man, and to just think, if only I had done this video first, you guys would not have a problem with your partner. So that has been baking a cake by following instructions. Thank Mrs. Betty Crocker for the idea. Yeah. So now you guys should be in the clear. Unless she doesn't like carrot cake. We'll see. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, share. Twitch, same as my YouTube. Twitch.tv/Yoshikimon. If you want to see stuff like this live. So again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Honestly, this is a 10 out of 10 cake. I think I outdid myself here. Yes, I'm taking all the credit, Betty. Okay, I'm sorry.